Hello, everyone. All right. I think it's good. I think I fixed it. Crap. I hate when this happens. My multi-chat's all broken. Every time I have to like reconnect it to Twitch and YouTube. It's so annoying. Okay. Okay. Are we good? I think we're good. I think we are good. I think we're good. Nice. Did it work? Does it sound good? I think so. I think this is my mic. Does it sound good? Oh, what's O? W? Nice. Let's go. Alrighty. We're good, chat. Alright, time for easy CTFs and story time. Easy CTFs and story time. That's what's going on here. Alright, let me log into TryHackMe real quick without leaking any private information and download that VPN and not leak the VPN and be smart with what I do. This is on a new machine, by the way, because I didn't want to leak anything from OCP. Pebble the Goat, how do it is? We're going to go over it right now. Alright, let me download the VPN. And we're good to go. Nice. Alrighty. Love that it's not picking up my Kali. That's always great. That's just wonderful. That's the manager. That's nothing. There it is. I just had to refresh it. Okay. Here we go. Oh gosh. Alright, we're good. Alright, we are nice and dandy here. The background, not a fan. I like the other background. Hold on. No, it's gone. No. Alright, maybe we'll see that one. Alright, quick question. Have you had to do any static or dynamic analysis challenges yet? No clue what that means. Music is a little bit loud for my liking. Hold on. All right. No clue what static or dynamic analysis challenges means. No clue. Okay. Anyways. I'd like to wait for more people to roll. Actually, I don't know how many people are in here. Not that many. Okay. We could wait for more people to roll in before we announce everything. Which is what I might do. I might wait a second. You know what? Let me get up MS Paint real quick, because I'm gonna do a whole thing here. Okay, that's nice. Let me make a new window capture. We'll call this MS Paint. Ah, it automatically captured it. That's wonderful. Okay, we'll keep that there. Ready? All right. What the? What? Don't care. Alright. New York Flankies. Okay. Have you ever participate on a CTF challenge? I don't know what you mean. Have you ever participate on a CTF challenge. All I do is CTFs. What you talking about? What you talking about? That's what we doing. You mean like as a team? Like team CTFs? What you talking about? Have you done a time CTF event? Sorry for my bad English. I'm from Brazil. No worries, no worries. Yes, with a team. No, I haven't. I have not. New machine here. We can do this one. Publisher. Using a custom binary are hindered by restricted access in critical system files and directories. I don't know if that sounds fun. I feel like we did Cyberlens, no? Oh, we did that with Kaio. He did it. Yeah. Just like that, and I'm back, bruh. Bruh. Actually, I don't know if I can sing or I'll get copyrighted. I don't even know. Cat Pictures 2? We can do Cat Pictures 2. Maybe. Alrighty. I'm gonna go over. We're gonna go over everything. Alright, we're gonna go over OSCP. I think it's time. Oh, there's an ad on the Twitch. GG, y'all are cooked. Okay. Let me get up on this paint here. Let's bring this right here. Bam. See, but now the chat is all weird. Please tell me there's a dark mode on MS Paint. Is there a dark mode here? Properties? No. Let me look it up. MS Paint dark mode. I'm getting blinded here. I'm sorry for the blinding, everyone in the chat. It's Windows 11. Frick. Alright, well... Hold on, I have a better idea. Bucket black. Hey, now we're talking. Yes, there is. I don't have Windows 11 installed on this. Alright. How do I want to like full screen this more. I want to get rid of this bottom stuff. Oh. Well, that doesn't help much. I need to still see my tools. Maybe we'll do it like this. Hold up. Oh, yeah. Crap. Oh, yeah. Oops. What the hell is going on? Okay, I think this is good. I can edit in OBS to look good. Right. Hold on. Alrighty. This is fine. We'll work with this. Why is the left? There we go. Alright. So, OSCP. Text. OSCP. I don't know why. Make it white. Why is it not white? I have absolutely no clue. Why isn't the text white? And it's so zoomed in. Oh my goodness, it's awful. It's awful. Okay, please, I'm not a professional. Okay, sure. OSCP. Color 1? What you talking about? Oh crap, what am I doing? Text. No. Erase. Nice. Okay. Well, we're gonna do it like this. This is how we're doing it. OSCP. Got it? Cool. All right. Change color 1 and color 2. What you talking about? Why isn't this filling in black now? I swear to God, is it because I have to do it like this? No, doesn't like me now. There we go. And now if I change this to white, will it text in white? It does. Thanks, chat. All right. Cool. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. It just removed it. All right. It's low quality, but that's how we're going with it. All right. Exam structure. For those who don't know, here, let's do it like this. There's 6 machines. Okay? 3 of which are in an Active Directory network. Okay? This is AD, by the way. AD. This is our Active Directory network right here. These 3 machines. All right? And then on the other side, we have our standalone machines. I'm just going to call it alone. Alone. This is an N. This is an E. Alone. Okay? And then we have our 3 standalone machines. On the same AD. Yeah, there's these 3 machines on the same network, on the same AD directory. Same AD network. Yes. These 3. And then there's 3 standalone machines. Okay? And to pass, you need 70 out of 100 points. Okay? All right, so for the standalone machines, a user flag, user level, equals 10 points. And root equals 10 points. Crap. 10. Okay. I don't know if you can read that. That's user and root, okay? So this equals 20. All right? So each of these is 20. For 10 for user, 10 for root. Okay? So that means you have to do the Active Directory network. You have to do this. We'll get there, clown. We'll get there, clown. We'll get there. This is just for the standalone machines. If you do all of the standalone machines, you get 60. Because that's 20 times all of these 3. Okay? That's 60. So, you're missing 10 points. Right? And this is where I messed up. This is something that I should have done. The bonus points. Bonus points. If you there's certain requirements for bonus points, and you will get 10 extra points for bonus points. Okay, so bonus points means during your course time, your time studying the course, not the exam, if you do 80% of each module and you get 30 challenge, there's challenge machines, there's challenge boxes that you can do that are similar to the exam. If you get 30 hashes or flags, if you get 30 flags on the challenge machines and 80% on each module, you get the bonus points. Okay? And I didn't read. I thought it was only 80% on each module, and I didn't read that you also had to get 30 challenge lab or challenge box flags. So I did not get the bonus points. Meaning I had to do the Active Directory network. If I had the bonus points, I would have had 60 right here. Hatsy, thanks for the follow. I would have had 60, right? Plus 10 equals your passing grade. But I didn't have the bonus points. All right. So now we're going to start. We're going to start. Get in the mindset, okay? The night before, I got barely any sleep, okay? Exam starts 7 a.m. Well, I scheduled it for that, okay? So get in my brain, okay? I barely got any sleep. I think I got to bed at like 2 a.m. So that's like, I woke up at like 5:30. So that's only like, literally like only a couple hours of sleep. Because I was just so nervous. It was bad. I should have taken like melatonin earlier. I didn't. It was bad. I was kind of sleep deprived before the shit even started, okay? So, I get on, right? I get some quick breakfast, and I log on. We're good, okay? How long is the exam? 24 hours. Shit. Hours. 24 hours. Oh, you can't see that. Hold up. We'll put it here. 24 hours. 24. Okay, so 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. is what I scheduled. All right, so we log on. You log in with your proctor. Your proctor scans your room with your webcam to make sure no one's hiding anywhere. And then once everything's verified, they send you the VPN and you start. All right, so keep in mind, I'm already tired at this point. You could use escalation.com. It's good for draws and diagrams. We'll keep that in mind for the future. So, where was I? Right. So, all right. So I start doing AD first. I start doing AD because remember, I have to do this. I have to. If I do all the standalones, I'll only have 60 points. I'll be 10 short because I didn't get the bonus. So I have to do 80. So I start with AD. I have to figure out how to get on the AD network first, right? That's the whole idea. And I thought I found a way. It's actually Spoon. I know it is, but it doesn't matter. Okay, 15 minutes. It doesn't matter. Okay. Yes, technically it is 23 hours and 45 minutes. Okay. So I start with 80. And I believe I found a way in, and it uses Metasploit. There's a Metasploit module for it. So I'm like, okay, we'll leave that for later, because you're only allowed to use Metasploit restrictedly, or openly on one machine. You're only allowed to use it on one machine. So I was like, okay, let's go to the standalone machines and see if I need to use it for them. All right. So I go to the standalone machines. First one I come up on. Bam! I'm cooking, right? How did I get in? Let me think. I can't say the specifics, right? I'm not allowed to spoil exactly what's on the exam. But how did I get my first initial access? It was right, that. Okay. It was really easy, okay? I got really easy user access. Like off the bat, like within like a half hour. I'm like, okay, I'm cooking. I'm cooking with fire, okay? And then the Privesc was super easy as well. Boom, got root. Okay? Like really easy. Like within an hour, I've already got all this shit. I've already got one machine done, standalone. So that's already 20 points within an hour. Okay? And I'm like, okay, well, I only need one more. I only need one more because I need 30 of these. I need 30. Here, let me look. Equals 40. Right. So I need 30 of this. This will equal 10. User flag. The user equals 10. So I need 40 plus 30 equals 70. That's my passing grade I need. So, my user. User. How did I get user on this other one? Oh, yeah. That. Okay. That was easy. I got user on the other one. Charlie, we're talking about it right now. Welcome. So, this user on the other one, I got like literally within another hour. So within like 3 hours, I already had basically, I had 30 points. Here, we'll cross this out because I didn't get it. Bang. Didn't get the bonus points. Okay. So we already have 30. This is 3 hours in. I am on top of the world right now. I'm feeling so good about myself. I'm like, I'm about to kill this exam in 6 hours. Okay. So I'm like, all right, pretty easy. I thought this was gonna be the easiest thing ever. And then I go back to the AD network. I found the exploit. It was something for a vulnerable version. I'm like, okay, this has to be the vector. This has to be the initial access, right? On this machine, there is a service running, and it's vulnerable. It's on a vulnerable version. I'm like, okay. I run the Metasploit module for it. It doesn't work. Why? I don't know. Congrats on 500 subs, by the way. Thanks, Charlie. Doesn't work. Can't get in. Weird. I tried doing some other stuff on this vulnerable service. Can't get in. And about 2 hours go by, right? And I'm like, so now it's about 2 p.m. And I'm like, okay, I still can't get into this network. UE 696969, nice. Thanks for the follow. So now I'm a bit confused because this is literally what I thought had to be the initial access. It had to be. It was a vulnerable version, and it just seemed like it. And there was some other stuff that I could have done as well, and it was because like half the stuff didn't work on the service. So I was like, what is going on here? I was very confused. I thought I had to do some really complicated stuff. And let me tell you, I spent way too long on this. It's 2 p.m. Another hour goes by. I take a break. I get some lunch and stuff before that. And then another hour goes by. It's like 4 p.m. 5 p.m. Another hour goes by. And I'm trying everything I can, going insane because this isn't working. And this is what I thought had to be the way in, because it was vulnerable, and it just made sense. I go get dinner. I take a shower. I take another break. I feel like I'm being edged. I don't want to make any comments on that. And now it's like I spend like 10 hours on this one stupid thing, and it's now 10 p.m. 10 p.m. at night. And finally, I do something else. I give up and I try something else, and I get into the network after 10 hours. This was a complete rabbit hole, and I should have given up earlier, and I just didn't because it made sense. It felt like this had to be the intended way, but it wasn't. And now it is 10 at night. And yeah, now it's 10 at night. Keep in mind, I got barely sleep the night before. So I am tired. I'm very, very tired. All right. And we still have this whole AD stuff to go through. And I just got in. All motivation has been lost, by the way. All motivation. What do you call it? What's the term? I forget it. All motivation's lost. I was on top of the world getting these two. Shit. Getting this two in like my 30 points in 3 hours. I felt so good. 10 hours later, I'm down in the ditch, okay? How many points after 10 hours? Right, we only have 30 at this point. So, AD, remember, AD, you can't get user points or root points. It's only domain admin. You get the 40. There's no sub points in here. There's no like 10s. It's 40 for domain admin. There's nothing in between. All right. You must have felt like a zombie at that point. Trust me, it's gonna get a lot worse. Hydrate, haze tea. Thanks, man. I'm almost out of water on this. I'm gonna need to fill that up. All right. How much time you spent writing the report? We're not even there yet. Hold on. One step at a time. All right. So I finally get in. All right. Now, okay, I'm very happy at this point, okay? To be honest. Like, an hour before that, brother, Weed'em! You're gonna make me fill up my water bottle. Chill! This is empty now. 6 hydrates, bro? I can't fill this up. I'm in the middle of my speech. Unless. Unless you guys are forcing me to fill it up. Oh, okay, I'm gonna fill it up. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. This is gonna take a while to fill up, too. This is massive. We'll be right back. Alrighty. Holy hydrates! Brother! I gotta up the points on this. It's only 100 channel points, so I'm gonna have to make it like 1,000 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15! Holy moly. Just drink the entire thing again? Brother, I would die. Alright. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Alright, back to where we were. It's 10 p.m. and I have Fawn Dyke. Thanks for the follow, man. It's 10 p.m. now. And we finally got on the network. And then now I have a bit more motivation, right? Because I finally get in. And I'm like, alright, this will be fine. I do some lateral movement. I get access to another account. And that account has access to a machine. Guess what machine? This machine. The machine with the service on it. And I'm like, okay. It's got to be something with that. I tried every Windows Privesc vector I knew. I tried everything. Couldn't get none. And I tried everything else. I tried, I can't really be too specific on this. I tried some domain, some AD specific stuff. Nothing worked. Can't be too specific. So, I think it has to do something with this. It's a vulnerable version, and I have this user that I have has access to the web root on the service. All right, so I can access all the files on this service that's going on. So I think it has to be this. So there was a login screen. So I'm like, okay, there's some type of there's. Oh, actually, my mic is a little loud. All right, so there's creds here. There's got to be creds. There was a login screen. So I'm looking stuff up. All right. Keep in mind, I have spent like at least 8 hours researching this damn service, because I was just trying to figure out what the hell it was, how to exploit it, and everything. So, I find some juicy files. I do on that service. And I'm looking up there were some encrypted credentials, some encrypted users, passwords and stuff. So I'm like, all right, how do I decrypt it? I look it up. You need some files. I have 2 out of, actually I shouldn't be too specific. I have 2 out of some X number of files. And I'm missing some. I'm like, what the hell? Why are the files not here to decrypt it? And I'm looking this up for like another hour. It's like, it should be there. The file should be there. It's in this directory. The directory's there. I see it. I go into it. There's another directory. Should be there. I see it. I go into it. The file's not there. So I'm like, what the hell? I try doing everything else. I try using other files to try and decrypt it. Because maybe they changed the names around for some reason. I don't know. And it doesn't work. I'm like, what the hell? And I'm doing everything I can. I'm doing every privest vector I think of. Doing everything I can. For another 4 hours, I would say. Tell me you didn't reset the machine and that was a bug. You want to know how many times I've reset machines? I believe it's 25 resets you get on the exam. By the time I ended the exam, I had 9 left. That means I reset machines 15 times. Trust me, I thought it was a bug too. So, we're there. And now it's like 4 a.m. It's 4 in the morning. Remember, no sleep the night prior, really. I am dead tired. I was tired before, okay? Now, I am, like, nodding out. I can't keep my head up. And I'm like so sad. Quick maths. 25 minus 15 equals 9. Yeah. Did I do the math wrong? Am I going crazy? Anyways. Where are we? Right. 4 a.m. The exam ends in 3 hours. I'm dead tired. I don't know what to do with this. I've tried everything I can. Trust me, I know a good bit. And I just couldn't do it. I was too tired. My brain was okay. At the start, my brain is sharp as a whistle. That's not a term. Sharp as a whistle? What's sharp as a knife? Maybe, I don't know. Whistles aren't sharp. I don't know what the freaking thing is. Anyways, brain was sharp here at the start, killing it. Spent too long on this, 10 hours on this, and that killed me. That absolutely killed me because by the time I got in, I was tired, and now it's 4 a.m. and I can barely keep my head up. I can barely stay awake. Dude, I'm telling you, he definitely did. Because I was like, I barely eaten. I did eat a bit, actually. But, like, I'm rushing. I'm rushing food down. I'm on straight caffeine. I have gone through, like, at least four, like, I don't have a cup up with me. But, like, decently sized, like, black tea cups. So, I've gone through a good bit of caffeine. And by 5 a.m., it hit me. I'm done. I can't stay awake. I fell asleep in my chair for about 10 minutes, like on accident. And then I wake up and I'm like, it's over, dude. I can't do this anymore. And I'm starting to feel a little sick. And I go to bed. And we fail. Okay? Alright. Did you use any pivoting tools or are all machines on the network on the same subnet? I'm not allowed to answer that question, Spoon. I'm not allowed to answer that question. I will say that I tried everything. I tried that. I tried I don't know if I can say everything. I tried everything, okay? That's all I can say. I can't be too specific. Ayo, just joining here. Did you pass the OSCP exam, homie? Curse. Calm. Rad. Well, we're at the very end of the whole story now. So the answer is no. There's always another try, though. No. And that's yes, there is. That's exactly what we're going to get into right now. So, well, actually not. Post OSCP in write-up. All right, now we're on to post OSCP and write-up. Let me go ahead and hit him with a bam. No? Why not? Oh. Go away. Oh. I can't see. Oh, this is awful. Brushes? How do I make it bigger? How do I size? Big. There we go. It's a bit better. All right. Now we got some cool looking OSCP header. All right. You'll keep grinding next time. Damn, if you had those bonus points, it must have been a 5-hour exam. Exactly. This is what I was thinking. Those 3 machines, I thought were the easiest thing ever. Like, easy hack the box level, like medium try hack me level. Easy stuff, I thought. Subbed, thanks Spoon2K. Appreciate it. Easy stuff. But I only did half of those because I knew it would be a waste of time to do the other half because I wouldn't have enough points. I would only have 60, right? All right. So we'll touch back on that later. Airfire, what's good? All right. So the following day, I take about a 2-hour nap. I wake up again for some reason. I'm waking up because it's my schedule, right? I'm waking up at 7 a.m. how I normally do. It's 5 a.m. and I go to bed and I wake up at 7 a.m. Somehow my brain just knows. For some reason, I only get 2 hours of sleep. It's better than nothing though. So I am feeling I wake up feeling absolutely terrible. My brain hurts. I can't see anything. Like I'm having a migraine. Like literally everything is blurry. I'm having a killing headache. I feel like I'm about to vomit. All right. So and I'm not tired for some reason. And it takes me a little bit. And like I'm actually feeling like the worst I have like all year. I'm feeling really, really sick. I don't know if it was because I didn't get enough sleep. I don't know if it was like I picked something up. It could have been a combination of both. It could have been that like my immune system was down because I didn't sleep. But I was feeling absolutely terrible the following day. But there's a write-up to do. And if you fail the exam and you submit a write-up, you'll get feedback. And that's what I wanted to do. And that's what I did. I spent the morning trying to rest as much as I could. And then at the end of the exam, at the end of the day, I made a write-up and I submitted it. Meaning, tomorrow, I should get feedback. I should know what I did wrong, which is exactly what I want. But I do know what I did wrong, right? I do know, I don't know the technical stuff of what I got wrong on the AD part, but I do know that I should have gotten the 10 points. Should have gotten the 10 points. That would have saved my day, right? So, what am I going to do differently now? Well, it's things to learn, right? Things to learn here. We're going to buy the extension, the lab extension. Lab extension. This will allow me to access the practice machines, but more importantly, it's going to allow me to get those 10 points because I can submit the flags for the challenge machines and I can get my 10 points that I desperately needed. So I'm biting the bullet and buying this. Okay? And things to learn as well is to give up. And by give up, I mean know when to move on. The rabbit hole I spent 10 hours on, that was the worst idea ever. I don't know what I was thinking. But I was like, this has to be it. It's vulnerable. It has to be it. It's not. It was a rabbit hole. I spent way too long on it. And by the time I actually figured out what to do, it was too late. It was too late. I was tired. Okay. Spoon2K, my exam is in 2 weeks. Well, learn this. Tell me you have the 10 points. Please tell me you have the 10 points. Okay. Also, learn to move on. Learn what's a rabbit hole and what's not. Learn to try an array of different stuff. If you try it all, it doesn't work. Learn more stuff and do it. Okay. Because you have to learn. It's tough because like if you spend 2 hours on it, fine. Anything more than that, you're probably pushing it and it's probably useless. Yeah, I got the 10 points. Good for you. Good for you. I didn't. All right, let's read through all these chat messages. All right, Proctor. Yep. Just for reference, you can use any online tools and websites, right? Yes, anything. Besides AI, you can't use AI, and you can't ask anyone for help, but you can use the whole internet to your heart's content. Besides, like, leaks. If you find any leaks, obviously. That's all right, boss. I'm sure you'll get this done. Thanks, man. All right, getting it done. Right, back to this. I have a 6-month week buffer, or not 6 month, holy shit, 6 week buffer. So 6 weeks, about a month and a half, I will retake the exam. And we're going to kill it. We're going to do really good. Because we know what we did wrong. So that's the plan. I'm going to get the 10 points. And we're going to retake it. It's going to be nice and dandy. All right. I would jump right into the 80 part first and do the Linux boxes for fun. That's my strat for the exam. They don't have to be Linux, by the way. The standalone machines don't have to be Linux. They can be Windows as well. But yeah. Not gonna lie, I'm popping a perk to lock in on the exam at LMFAO. Honestly, would have been a bad idea. I don't know any plugs near me. I'm not with that stuff. But hey, you know, if I need to take Adderall or some Percocets to do this exam, hey, I don't know, just a one-time thing. All right. How many tries do you have for exam? You have I think you have as many tries as you want, or maybe it's 4 max. I don't know, but I'll pass. It'll be fine. All right. 2 hours trying one stuff is enough. Exactly. Focus on proving grounds as well. Okay, yes. Proving grounds. Literally, the machines are very, very similar because they're made by OffSec. PG practice was very useful to me, and that is exactly why I did so well on the standalone machines. The standalone machines were just like PG practice stuff, and I was doing them really, really well. Like the easy and intermediate level stuff for PG practice. And I was like, okay, nice. But there's really no resources for Active Directory. I mean, we were doing VulnLab stuff in these past couple streams, but VulnLab, where's the music? Hold on. Sorry, chat. I just realized. It's not looping. Now it's looped. Okay. There we go. All right, cool. All right. But there's really no resources online to learn Active Directory besides like VulnLabs, which I've been doing, but they're not really similar to the exam. I mean, they cover some of the stuff helped, okay? Some of the stuff helped. But a lot of it didn't. A lot of it was stuff where there was multiple domains, and a lot of it was stuff like ADCS, which isn't part of the exam. So that didn't help as much because you learn different techniques. So for AD resources, there wasn't a whole lot, which sucks. But for standalone, Proving Grounds is perfect. 10 bonus points per Proving Ground, exactly. Sometimes you just bang your head against a wall when a CTF is hard. I've definitely spent 2 to 3 days going down rabbit holes before. Yep. How often do they change up the exam? I don't know. They don't release that. I'm pretty sure there's like 20 exams that they change one every so often and they chain them through. I don't know. That's my guess, but they don't release that type of information. For AD, I would approach Dante, Hack the Box's Pro Lab. Yeah, I should have bought Hack the Box stuff. I really should have. I should have bought Hack the Box stuff. I didn't know they had like 80 chains. Do they have 80? Is that an 80 chain? Because I also need to practice like pivoting and shit. Did you buy? Okay, hold up. That was only the Twitch comments. We also got YouTube comments. All right. Did you buy Learn 1? No, I didn't. I bought the package with 3 months of course and a exam attempt. That's what I bought. It doesn't have 2 attempts. Yeah, Learn 1 maybe, but I bought the standalone shit. So I don't know if it comes out to the same cost. It'll still probably be a little bit cheaper, but yeah, the whole what am I thinking? Dante is awesome for pivoting. Okay, should we do that right now? No, we're doing easy stuff. We're doing easy stuff this whole week. We'll do Dante and 80 stuff when I get closer to my exam retake. Cool beans. So I think the cost comes out maybe just a little less than Learn 1, but again, it's only like 4 months technically of like course practice, and Learn 1's like a whole year. So that would have been better. But hey, you learn. However, Dante's easier to pass now because there are new Windows attacks that Dante's machine are vulnerable. They should update that stuff, no? Typically, they update that stuff, so where it should be the intended vector. Anyways. Alright, let's go to try hack me. I don't even, this is a new machine because I didn't want to leak anything from the exam. Try hack me. Alright, and let's move our downloads here. This VPN file, sudo open. You can see that was there. That's fine. Oh shit, you saw my OSID. I don't think that matters actually. That shouldn't matter. And this file. That was me archiving my report. But you didn't see the contents of the report, which is all that matters. What is your advice for anyone who wants to start in cybersecurity? My advice is to do some CTFs, or capture the flags. You can make a free account on TryHackMe, and you can start doing CTFs. So some stuff is like paid, some stuff is free. I recommend doing learning paths, like this junior penetration tester learning path. It's gonna teach you a whole bunch of stuff like web hacking, some privilege escalation stuff. You can make a free account there. Some stuff is paid, some stuff isn't. And do some CTFs, do some challenges that we're about to do right now. And for your first like week or so, you're not gonna know what to do, but eventually you'll learn and you'll start to see patterns. You'll look at a write-up to understand how to do the machine. And yeah, you take notes and you go from there and you learn patterns, and slowly you'll start to learn how to do CTFs. And cybersecurity is all part of that because you're exploiting vulnerabilities, and cybersecurity is like really all about vulnerability mitigation. Okay. Holy shit. We see the painting? Crap, you do. Oh, so you didn't see that. Okay, you didn't see that first part. That's good. All right. Well, let's close this down. There we go. Thanks, chat. Thanks, chat. Did you figure out how to successfully hack the 80 afterwards without saying, of course? So that's what I'm gonna learn that tomorrow. They're gonna contact me tomorrow because I submitted the report. They told me I failed, but we're gonna get back to you on what is a technical term. They didn't use write up because they don't want to say write up, but it is a write up. I think they said it was what's the term they used? Crap. I don't know. It's gonna be a write. They're gonna tell me like what I should have done. Feedback. That's the term. Feedback. They're gonna give me feedback on how to do it. But hey, dude, you're in high school doing OSCP is a great achievement. I work as a pen tester and I still don't have OSP, so just go with the flow. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Yeah, I was pretty sad afterwards, but it's fine. We're gonna get it next time for sure. For sure. And OSCP is probably like not a good first certification to go for. Like that's kind of like intermediate level stuff. I should have done like easier certs before, like I don't know, like PJPT, Security Plus type stuff, Pentest Plus. But hey, we're here now. We're doing it. I don't care. Alrighty. Let's do this. What one did we want to do? I found one that I wanted to do. Maybe I didn't. Oh yeah, cat pictures. Cat pictures number 2. Cat pics. Funny cats. Cat pictures 2. Here we go. Make their cat 2. I'm just gonna call cat 2. Alright. VPN is started up. Let's join this room and spawn the machine. Complete. There's 3 flags here. Interesting. Cool. Ugh. Oh, yeah. 500 subs on YouTube. That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. I appreciate that, everyone. Pebble, you know, in order to be a winner, you lose more than a loser. So don't worry. Just keep moving forwards. Cursed Comrade, that means so much, dude. I don't really show it like emotionally, but trust me, that means a lot, dude. I appreciate that. That's true. That's very true. Because you don't learn as much from success as you do from losses. That's true. You don't. Success is great, but you don't learn as much. And I learned a lot from that exam. I did. So, that's great. I would make a list for next exam. From what I listen, you need to focus on AD. Well, if I get the 10 points, I don't actually need to focus on AD. But yeah. Stay only 2 on powers on 1 attack path. Enumerate better. Eat and drink. Go for a walk. I should have gotten exercise the night before, especially because I was staying up, right? I was staying up too late. I couldn't go to bed. But exercise the night before would have gotten me pretty tired. And it would have helped me. I should have gone for a walk during the exam as well, yeah. Create an alarm and get up after 3 hours at least. After each route or new movement, something in the network, go eat something. Yeah, those are all good ideas. All right, let's see if we can ping this. Thanks, Zebus. All right, we can. Time to live 61. We can assume this is a Linux machine. Okay, all right. Well, hold on. We're doing easy CTFs for all my new guys out here. I know a lot of you guys are like kind of technical, because you're hearing about OSCP stuff. But in case there's any new guys out here, in case any new guys watch the VOD, we're gonna go over this thing like it's brand new, like you don't know anything about CTFs. So who is that guy? Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Hold on. My boy Ricardo. Ricardo, this is for you. Okay, you're brand new. That's fine. We're gonna go over it all. I am beginner. Oani. Oh sure. Okay, if you're a beginner, that's fine. I didn't know that. You sounded pretty technical. But that's fine. We're gonna go over it step by step. One day before the exam, just read your notes, go watch something, a movie or something. Yeah, I did chill the day before. I did chill, but I chilled a little too much that I wasn't tired, and I stayed up. Also, you know a lot more of name structure, which helps a ton. Helps with nerve if you know what you're walking into. Exactly, yeah. Because okay, actually, I thought that the standalone machines would give me the most trouble. Literally, I thought that would give me the most trouble because I struggle with like initial access. I struggle with Privesc. I thought AD, I know all that stuff, right? I should just be able to get that down and then I'd work on the hard stuff. Turns out it was the other way around. Thanks, mate. All right, Ricardo, Ani, this is for you. Which exam are you studying for? Brother, it's in the title. It's in the title, brother. OSCP. I started to learn 3 weeks ago, so I know a little. All right, I gotta stop reading chat, and we're gonna focus on this machine. All right, so, you don't need to do this, but ping obviously tests connectivity, so we can access it. This is time to live, and this is 61. Meaning it's a Linux machine. Well, not necessarily, but probably. Because Linux time to live is kind of specific for each operating system. And 64 is typically Linux, and then as it hits each router, it gets deprecated one time to live. So this is probably 3 routers. Anyways, that doesn't matter. Okay. For everyone out there, Nmap. Crap. Nmap is the first thing you should do for every CTF. It's a network. It stands for network mapping. And we're going to scan this machine for any open ports. Again, open ports host services. And if there's a vulnerable service, then we can exploit it and get into the machine. All right. So nmap-p-. This will do all ports. All ports, which is what we want. Without it, it would just do 1000 most common. But we want all of them, just in case they're running on an obscure port. -svc. -SV does version numbers, right? So if it's running on a older version, it's probably vulnerable. And -SC will run common scripts. Common scripts, we'll see like FTP anonymous. We'll see like if robots.txt is available. It's just some stuff. It's just useful. It helps take away some work. And then -on will output it to a file. We'll just call it nmap so that we don't have to run this whole scan again, and we can just look at the file. And then -T4 will speed it up. It'll run an aggressive scan. And yeah, all that looks good. Oh, I didn't specify the target. So we gotta paste this IP in here. So we'll let that run. Press enter. You can see completion. We're about 2% done. Actually, no, I could have added -v. Adding -v is helpful. Here. Just literally -v. This adds verbosity, so we can see it as it pops up. So as it's seeing ports open, it'll show it. Like while it's scanning, which is what I should have done. So, but it's fine. We have to wait for this complete. It's about a third of the way done. Man, I'm sweating. I don't, bro. It's like in the middle of the summer and I'm wearing a hoodie. I'm only doing this because it's an obligation. If you're a hacker, you have to wear a hoodie. It's an obligation. It's a part of the hacking constitution. You gotta wear a hoodie. All right, halfway there. Even if it's in the middle of the summer. Bow, 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 bow. 57%. All right. Well, we can just see if this has a web server. It does. Okay. Hey, cat pics. Okay. All right. So you just paste the IP in. This means that port 80 is open. Well, we could have seen that from the nmap once it completes. 80% done. All right. I just want to check out this web server. All right. We have some comments. Nothing of use to us. Nope. Inserting images. Nothing there, nothing there. Just looking for any comments or any main.javascript. This is probably nothing. I would look at this last in case. Just in case. Password. Interesting. I would look at this at the end. Whoa. Password dot. Okay, this is interesting here. This is interesting. All right. I'll leave that open just in case. But let's check out the whole web server. All right, we got some cats. Lovely. Love the cats. Great cats. Interesting. Alrighty. How is this coming along here? Hello? Alright. It's running the service scan. Oops. So it's already found all the open ports, and now it's checking the service, the number, the version number. Yo, how was the exam? Brother? You were a little too late, an hour too late. We just went over it for the first hour. I'm not going to go over it all again. If you want to watch the VOD, you can. It'll be on YouTube and on Twitch. I'm not going to go over it again. In short, I failed. Okay? If you want the whole explanation, my whole walkthrough, check it out. Check out the VOD. All right. Lots of stuff here. I can just ls to view our files. We have nmap here. This is the file we made. So we can just refer to this. We can cat nmap and it'll show the outputs of nmap. All right. So we have 22 open. SSH. SSH is used to secure shell. It's used to log in to the server. Right now we can't do anything with this because we don't have any usernames and passwords. So that doesn't help. This is useful. This is what the common scripts does. We'll get to this. So port 80, which is an HTTP web server. That's this whole thing. And we find a .git directory. So that means it's from a GitHub repository. And we may be able to see comments from past versions of this website. And maybe there's some passwords in a past version that we can see. Lychee.git. Right, that's the name of this. Hosted with Lychee. So maybe not. We'll see, though. Robots.txt. We have some stuff there. Source uploads. Okay, bunch of stuff here. Interesting 222 SSH. That's definitely interesting. Not... All right, port 1337 also. Don't know what this is. Interesting. Doesn't know what that is. And a port 3000. Again, it doesn't really know what that is. Okay. That's fine. Interesting. And port 8080 as well. So we have another web server on port 8080. Another HTTP server. And it seems like the default Nginx page. It's a simple HTTP server with Python. Okay. So we have these two web servers. So what I'm going to do is run GoBuster. We're going to do some directory brute forcing. So I already see that robots is up, but that's fine. We're just going to do this. Let's split this horizontally. And let's run GoBuster. GoBuster is not installed because this is a fresh machine, so I'm going to install this. So we're going to brute force subdirectories, like, I think this was one. No. SVR server. No. Okay. Images. No. Okay. Well, it's directories. It's folders within this web server. SRC source. That was it. Forbidden. Okay. But it works. So that's what we're brute forcing for. That's what we will be brute forcing for, actually. All right. So GoBuster. And then we need -W for a word list. This is what's going to use to brute force all this stuff. So in Kali, whoa, wrong panel. Kali, good word lists are in user share word lists. Defaultly installed there. And then we have a bunch of stuff to work with. I'm going to go with dirbuster. And I'm going to go with directory list 2.3 medium. That's what I like to use. All right, and then -U for the URL. We can simply just copy this URL. That's not the right terminal. All right, and then -X for any extensions, such as .txt. And actually, let's just check. Oh crap, what was that? Oh, I don't have Woppleizer installed on this. I gotta install all the good stuff here. Add to Firefox. Add. Okay. Now will it work? There we go. Refresh. Please. Please. Why? Why you no work? I'm okay with that. All right. Right. We can see using PHP. So I'll add a PHP extension here. And it's using this Lychee photo galleries thing. We could actually look up this version. We see the version number here with Woppleizer. I'll just do that right away, just so we can get it out of the way, just to see if it's vulnerable. Lychee 3.1.1. Lychee 3.1.1. All right, so we're gonna use searchsploit. We could also just look this up on Google, but searchsploit has a nice database that I can do. Lychee, it was 3.1.1. Yeah, Lychee 3.1.1. No exploits. All right, not vulnerable. That is fine. Okay, back to here. PHP, TXT, that's all fine. And then we can -O to output this, and I'll just call this GoBuster. Why is shorthand flag U and -U? Eh? Is it not -U? Ah, GoBuster -H. Am I actually tripping? Oh, I didn't specify dir. Duh. Okay, so you need to specify just somewhere dir for directory brute forcing, because it can do a bunch of stuff. DNS, subdomains, fuzz stuff, GoBuster dir. Yep, we got it. All right, and I'm also gonna run this on port 8080 because there was another web. Where is it? Oh gosh, here we go. Another HTTP server on 8080. So I'm just going to copy this command, and we're going to run it on this top panel for, we'll call this GoBuster _ or -8080. And here for the URL, we'll add port 8080 there. All right, so now it's just running on both stuff. And we already get a lot of hits here. We see docs of view.php, uploads, data, PHP, plugins, source, destination, robots. Bunch of fun stuff. All right, so we'll check out robots. Robots is what's used to prevent like web scraping. So like they don't want like people to trigger stuff with like URLs that actually like do stuff on the back end. So like for like web scrapers, it'll check, well, like ethical web scrapers will check for robots.txt, and anything disallowed, the web scraper like won't go to. All right, so we see data, right? We already brute force that right here. Destination, docs, PHP, plugins, source, uploads. All right, so all that stuff is already in our brute force. So that's fine and dandy. All right, let's go one by one. Let's check out docs. Oops, /docs. Forbidden, can't view it. All right, cool. Let's check out view.php. Slash. All right, seems to be absolutely nothing. That must be just what's used to view.js. Okay, I think that's what's just used to here, to just like view images and stuff. That's just the, I guess, maybe, I don't know. Nothing there though. An uploads directory, that's interesting. Maybe we can upload a file. Nothing there, forbidden. Okay, let's check out /data. Nothing there. /php. API function specified. Interesting. Okay, we may be working with some like backend API stuff. Plugins, forbidden. SRC source, forbidden. DST destination, forbidden. And then robots.txt, and also license. This is probably just a default license page that isn't any use to us. Yeah. Okay. This is not useful at all. All right. Fine. Fine. But. We have a .git directory as well. Our -sc common scripts found a .git directory. I'm pretty sure that's in this word list. I think it'll just take a bit. Pretty sure it's in the word list though. But it's down there. So we're gonna check out .git. Forbidden. Okay. Well, that doesn't help much. Interesting. All right. Well, let's see. Just because that page is forbidden, I want to see if. Hold on. Let's just see if this is allowed. Okay. Interesting. So this is just a SVG is a like a vector file. It's just an image, really. So can we view all images? No. Okay. So there's some lock image on the web server. Meaning there's probably some login screen that we don't know where it is. Where could it be? What's this button do? There we go. Here we go. Here's some login stuff. All right, let's try admin. Admin root. Can't type. Admin password. No. Okay. So let's go ahead and look it up. 3.1.1 default credentials. Let's see if there's some default credentials for this web service. I don't know if there are default credentials. Typically when you set up a server, there's some default credentials. But there may not be. You may have to set them automatically. This isn't the right version. There's the write-up. We don't want to look at that. Interesting. All right. All right. No vulnerabilities for that. Is there any vulnerabilities for this Nginx version? There's not. Did he pass chat? Watch the VOD. The answer is no. Yeah, big yikes there. All right, so there is definitely some weird shit going on port 3000 and port 1337 leaked. Yeah, that's definitely really interesting. Apple Touch icon. What is all of that? This isn't a web server, is it? Let's just try, hold up. No, okay. That doesn't help. I want to see if, let me copy this. If this is a web server for some reason, it's not showing. It is! Okay. 1337. So, this really isn't pulling anything. So, I'm just going to cancel this. We'll do 1337. Run another GoBuster scan on this. What is this? This is Cat Pictures 2 CTF on Try Hack Me. Alright, so we'll change that port to 1337 and run another GoBuster scan here. Also using LightG. Interesting. Alright, we have a themes page. Lots of stuff here, actually. Logs. Olive tin. Okay. I don't care about any of that. Oops. Actions. Okay. Run backup script. That doesn't help. An API page. JavaScript page. Interesting. Ping host. Okay. Let's see if we can ping ourselves. Alright, so I'll sudo... Actually, I don't remember the exact command. TCP dump ICMP. TCP dump ICMP. Tom 0. What is the command? Come on. Kali Linux. Let's see if I can figure it out. TCP dump ICMP Tom 0. I know that's not right, but syntax error. Great. No description at all. Love that. Maybe it's in my notes. It is. Okay, here we go. This is it. That's the IP. That's not it. It's, I can't copy to my host machine. Gosh darn it. Okay. Sudo TCP dump -I for interface Tom 0. Proto for the protocol. / ICMP for ping. There we go. So this is going to listen for any pings. Just like we pinged this machine. So let's go ahead and... Where was that page at? Right here. Host. Let's try and type in our IP. 10.6.67. It's right up here. .242. This is our own IP. We're going to try and ping it once. Let's see if that works. There we go. It did. We got a request and we replied. Okay. Sticks! What's good, man? Thanks for the hydrate. How was the exam? Brother, you missed it. The first hour of the stream was just going over the exam. I'm not going to go over it again because it was an hour. But if you want to, you can check the VOD when it releases. Sorry, man. All right, back to this. So we can execute a ping. We should try command injection, meaning local host. We could try command injection, meaning, so if I do who am I, and we can execute another command, like ifconfig, right? So this is Pebble, and it also executes ifconfig. So if it's ping, if there's some script that's running, ping localhost, we may be able to do and execute another command. Makes sense. Glad I helped with the messages. Yeah, of course. Appreciate it. All right, localhost and let's see if we can. What should we do? I doubt who am I will work. Argument doesn't match the ASCII identifier, so it has to be ASCII stuff. I guess. Is the and bugging? Is that why? No. It's just no spaces. It can't be this complicated. Hold on. No, it won't. This won't work because it doesn't match. Well, that did work. Hold on. Hold on now. Okay. So if you guys don't know, The this IFS stuff is just a space. IFS meaning. I forget what it stands for. No. Bash. Internal field separator. Okay? So it's really just a space, is all it is. So we can do localhost, IFS, and then I guess we can execute another command. Let's try and curl, and then we'll do IFS again for a space. And we'll try and curl. Curl is just to grab the contents of like a website. So let's host our own website. We'll do python-m http.server 80. All right, so it's hosting just like a web server, just like this, on port 80. So we can try and curl this our web server, and if this works, then we have remote code execution. The dots don't work. Interesting. I don't think it's gonna work out well. If you can't put dots, well, technically it could still work. Let's actually hold on. I want to try if a pipe can work. Pipe can work. Okay. Well, this may be it actually. Let's go back. So since we can't do dots, we can try. All right. Let's set up a reverse shell. A reverse shell is just. Can you put dots? You can put dots. What you mean I can? No, I can't. What you talking about? What you talking about? Dot. Boom. No, I can't. Could you try sending the request manually? What do you mean? What we're going to do is we're going to base 64 encode it. I've done this before on stream. All right. Revshells.com. Generate reverse shells. And this netcat-lvnp port 443, we'll do that in here. That just listens for a reverse shell connection. And I'll just use this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to base 64 encode it. How did you write the IP? Oh, that's fax. Interesting. What? I guess a dot. Wait, a dot does work? Dot. Wait, what? So wait, that did work? You're right. Because I could ping myself. So why can't I curl $sign IFS for space? Oh, I forgot the and. I forgot the and. Yeah, that doesn't help. That doesn't help if you can't do and. Yeah, it doesn't help. We need the and to execute another command. Unless this? No. Yeah. All right. This is broken. Doesn't help us at all. That won't work actually. I wonder what this backup script thing is. All right. All right. We also have a bunch of stuff here. We have themes, waffles. It's just a CSS stuff. It doesn't help us. All right. Slash JavaScript. Action button. Not much there. Don't think that helps us. Marshaller. Nothing there. Nothing here. Okay. And then we also have API. Interesting. Try the other things. PN. What? Yo, Flaviop02. Thanks for the follow, man. Ansible playbook. Broken script. Shit, what am I doing? What is broken script? All right, can I see this olive tin version number? Version. This is what I want to look up. All right, so this is using olive tin. Let's see if there's a olive tin exploit. Let's see if there's an exploit for this version. Is it one space? One word? It is one word. We can search exploit this. I don't want to. The write-ups keep popping up. Search exploit. This. Maybe just all of 10. Nothing. All of 10 exploit. Maybe it's not vulnerable. Okay. I can't help but read the write-up. I glanced at it. I can't. It's like my eyes are just glued to it. Okay. So there's got to be some way we can execute commands here. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, logs. Okay. That doesn't help much. Interesting. Okay, so there's a backup. So this backup script, when we run it, it tries to execute this bash shell in /opt, which is an optional directory, and then this backup script, but it's not found, so we can't run that. Doesn't help us though. What about this ping? Hold on. No. How can we execute if we can't do and? How are we gonna? I mean, we could do like an internal network scan through this, but I don't know if I want to do that. What's slow script? Nothing. Thanks. What? Killed. All right. So we can't. This is not an easy box, Loki. So we can't do ands. Oh, let me just look up command injection. Actrix. Command injection. Here we go. There's gonna be some stuff here we can try. Do pipes work? I don't think they did. They do. Do they? They do. Pipes work. That's wonderful. So we could pipe stuff into bash to execute it. We can't use this semicolon though, from what I remember. Eh? Why is it doing that? Maybe it is working? Hello? Let me run this web server again. Perl 10.6.6.242. Okay, what's wrong here? IFS. I didn't put it all. Oh, wait, what is wrong here? Everything should be. Oh, it's this. It's the this stuff. That doesn't work. Okay. It's the curly brackets. That's what they're called. Can't use curly brackets. And also doesn't work. Also doesn't work. Curly brackets and ands are no good. But I guess, hold on. This works though. Can we do, hold on. Localhost. When? Why is it saying that now? Why is it saying that the... No, I guess we can't do this now. Wonderful. Okay, that works. Okay. So that doesn't work. Interesting. It goes red. So know this. No semicolons either. What about local host bang? No, we can't do pipes either. Okay, this is not going well. It's probably not command injection then. Linux bypass restrictions. Yeah, can't use this, can't use that. None of this is helping. I don't think it's gonna work well. Don't think this is the vector. I do not think this is the vector. Can't use $signs. Can't use curly brackets. No, this is gonna work. Base 64? No, because it's not gonna work. Like, it's doing ping. I'll just do localhost. So if we add something after it, like if we base 64 -d to decode something, like, there's still a space here. And it won't even get executed anyways. It won't even get executed because it'll be a syntax error. Like, it can't ping base 64. We need to, like, somehow break it up. With something like this, or an and. But that is getting filtered. So I do not think that this is the right way. Don't think it is. Unless this counting is vulnerable. I don't know how that would help, though. And? No. This? No. Hold on. Crap. Yeah. I don't think this is going to give us any real help here. Yeah, nothing. Okay. If we could write to this, though, somehow if we could write to this, we would be able to execute commands. So, let's go back to the drawing board. Let's think. We have another page 3000. Is that another web server? Nmap doesn't think so, but you can check it out. 3000. It is. Holy shit, there's a lot going on here. Alright, well, Go Buster time again. Let's cancel this top one. Run this again. We'll call this port Go Buster 3000. Set this port to 3000. Run that. What's this using? Go. Hold on. Admin. Well, that's something. Hold on. Let me just add. Is Go extensions just Go? I think it is. All right. Well, we have an admin directory. It redirects to user login. And we have a login page here. What is this? What is this? Get T. Interesting. Interesting stuff here. Get T. Let's see if this is vulnerable. We can search exploit. Get T 17.3. Nothing. We can also Google to verify. Hi, particule do. What's up, man? Hold on. Argument injection. Less than this. Okay, that doesn't help. Yeah, this doesn't help. Okay. Nothing there. API. Don't know if that helps. Good, how are you? I'm doing pretty good. Root.url in app.ini is localhost, but we're visiting from the external IP. You should set root.url correctly. Interesting. Do we have to set DNS to localhost? Shouldn't matter. We can register. Let's try and register ourselves. Pebble. Test@test.com. Password. Pebble. Forbidden. No. Why? Not fun. Well, it still worked anyways. Looks like I still have an account. That's fun. All right. Create repositories. Bunch of stuff here. Don't think any of this helps though. Can I test? Legal base. What? Can I add an SSH key? Why not? Test. SSH-ED 25519. A key? What do they want me to do here? Do they want me to like add like the contents here? It's not gonna generate one. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work. Do I need to put in like a public key here? Like my own public key? I don't know. Chat, this is not an easy room. Not easy. For a fact, this is not easy. Not an easy try hack me. Security. That doesn't help. Alright, well, that's no fun. Not fun at all. I was trying to do easy stuff for you guys. I'm even struggling here. Yada yada yada. Let's try. I don't want to, but I will. Drink water. It may help. Maybe. Thanks, man. Come on. All right, let's think. We could try adding localhost. We could add this to localhost. Slash Etsy host is just our DNS file. That's what's wrong. Shit. There we go. All right, so we can add this IP here, 10.10.182.209, and I guess we can set this to localhost. I don't know if that'll work, but we can try. Refresh. Localhost. Maybe. No, it does not like that at all. What if I get rid of this entry? No. It's not resolving. Beautiful. You can try some injection, perhaps. We tried some injection. Where were you thinking we do some injection? Like in the login page, like SQL injection? What you talking about? on the content on the SSH page. What is this? Open ID URI. Interesting. All right, let's sign in again. Test@test.com. Password was Pebble. Yeah. Okay. Where was that? Profile. No, settings. SSH. You think we can just add our own like SSH public key here? Chat? What you thinking? Oh crap. Generate SSH. Open SSH. It's just SSH keygen. Okay. There we go. So now we have this. Cat ID ed dot pub. We have this. Okay. Can we just add this here? Okay, maybe. Okay. Now what? Can we SSH as ourselves? Armored signature. That sounds fun. Not for us though. Can we SSH Pebble at 10.10.182.209? Pebble's password. We didn't set a password. Crap. No work. No worky. Wouldn't be like my actual password, would it? No. No, it wouldn't be. All right, there's so much to look at here. Like, what the hell is this? Base 64 shit? Like, what is this? Yeah. Doesn't help me. Does not help me. Oh, here we go. Some. Okay. Using some API issues. Not helping. Explore. Not helping. Maybe. I don't think so. Explore users. Hold up. We got another user here. catpicturesii.net. Okay, we have a domain name. Maybe. And a user, Samarium. All right. Let's check this guy out. Here we go. Here we go. He's got no repos. Unfortunate. Would I need the full .net for subdomain reinforcing? I don't think so. Maybe I would. We should try both. Packages. No, you're useless. Okay. Well, we have a potential user. So let's try hacking cat 2. All right, let's echo this guy, Samarium, into a file called users. And I guess we could try this as our subdomain. Or as our domain. 10.10.182.209 and cat pictures II. Okay. Am I gonna have to run subdomain reinforcing on all of this though? Like that's, and then I'll have to try with .net as well. Like, There we go. I don't know if that. Do you think it can't be that hard? It cannot be that hard. This is an easy CTF. There's no way it's that. Come on, easy. There's no way. No way. There's just no way. It wouldn't transfer over here, would it? No. We could try brute forcing that with the username. You could try brute forcing SSH with that username. There's a lot of stuff we could try. What was up with this one? There's no login page here. This one's just wacky. Straight up. Oh, I smell dinner. Crap. Where was the lock? There's some lock vec image here, but I don't see no lock. It's really weird. None of this is stag, hopefully, right? Swear to God, if it is, I'm gonna cry. Dinner, what are we having? I don't know yet. We'll see. This is your picks, or it's on the webpage. This is on the webpage. This is all right. There's a couple web pages here. We have four, I believe. We have HTTP on port 80. Yeah. We have 1337. We have which is this. Thanks. And then we have 300 or 3000, which is this, and then we also have 8080, which is really nothing. It's just a default this Nginx. Nothing here, right? Yeah. Okay. So, metadata on the picks, if it's an easy box, possibly. There's no way though, right? That's not an easy box, you think? There's some hash there. Something. I don't want to down all of them. They're also JPEGs too. Like, come on now. Is there a way to download all of them? Like, come on. EXIF tool. That's the directory for it. Nothing juicy in the metadata. Apple. I don't think it's gonna be this. There's no way. No way. No way, Jose. There's something else on this webpage that I'm not seeing. I feel like it has to be this. Or is it this thing? Because, like, we can execute pings, right? But I guess we can't do command injection because it's filtering stuff. We could, like, there's no way though. It's an easy box. I was thinking like we could run like ping scans, like at port, like yada yada yada, right, or something like that to verify. But that can't be it. That can't be it. That can't be it. Can't be it. You got an idea? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. I'm all ears. Responder? Oh, but it's ping. That wouldn't help at all. It's pings. It's pings. Wouldn't help. I can't use curl or anything. Don't work that way. Dude, I gotta go eat dinner soon. What time is it? Yeah, it's almost 7. Might be right up time. Might be right up time because I don't have time. Damn, that's embarrassing. I wish I could spend more time on this. Okay. Chat. Just cause I don't have a whole lot of time. Please go away. Yep. There was a hint in the first image. Wait, what? Did we not just do that? Where's the about thing? This? Full photo? That doesn't help. Where's the about thing? Oh, I thought this... Okay. Note to self. Strip metadata. Brother! What is here? What did we miss? What did we miss? What did we miss? What did we miss? Is this something? Is this what I'm missing? Hold on. This is it, isn't it? No, it's not. Did it get cut off or something? Oh, it did. Chat! I should have full screened it. I was right. You were. Okay? There it is. I thought this 8080 was odd. I thought that was the port this is on, but this is not. This is port 80, straight up. So, 9e.text. Here we go. There it is. There's our username. This would not have brute forced anytime soon. Anytime in a couple years. Alright. Alright, here we go. This is it. Sure. I didn't know that this... Okay. Whatever. We're done. Note to self. I set up internal get instance. Start using IAC for the server. It's quite basic state, but I'm putting the password here because I will definitely forget. This file isn't easy to find anyway unless you have the correct URL. Yeah, well, you put it in metadata, so you suck. All right. Samarium. Ansible runner. What is this password for? For get T. Samarium. But now we can sign in as Samarium. Bam. But what does that do for us? Can we generate... Oh, whoa, we can see all of this public activity. Alright, here we go. Well, this helps. Private. Ansible. Flag will not text. Well, there we go. First flag. Hooray. Oh, okay. Okay. Back. What else we got here? Playbook.yaml. That doesn't help. That doesn't help. That doesn't help. But you can see history, right? History? I don't know. Crap, what am I doing? Pushed main. Where do I see the... where do I see the history? 7 comments. Leo added the flag. Add flag. Flag. Update playbook.yaml. Root and bismuth. Echo. Whoa, it's a little too big. Here we go. Echo bismuth. Bismuth to users. Remote user bismuth. Remote user is Ubuntu. What? Okay. All right, none of this helps at all. Crap. What? And that's it, right? Yeah. So what we could do, I don't know if this SSH thing works as him. How would we test that? Already has one. Is this? This is public though. No, it's private. Can we add ours? You can try to SSH now. Yeah, that's what I think. That's what I was thinking. Crap. Cat home.ssh slash our public. This is supposed to be added to something else though, right? Added to, what is it called? Authorized hosts or authorized users. How can we exploit this? I guess we just add, can we just add our key here? SSH key has already been added to the server. So should we remove his? I don't know. This is his public key. That doesn't help us at all, right? Wait, what is this? Token. Wait, we may be able to get the private key from this. Hold on. Try reuse password. That's facts. We'll try that first. That's so facts. All right, we can cancel. Actually, we're fine. Cat users. It was Sumerian. What was his password? Crap, I should have wrote that down. It's in the EXIF data. Oh, actually, it's in this. Here we go. This thing. Echo this to passwords. All right. SSH Sumerium at 10.10.182.209. This password. No good. No good. Yep, no good. All right. I think -y sign -n hit t. What is this? Missing key. This isn't the public key. This is some token. I don't know. What do you mean a signature? Yeah, it doesn't help. What the fluff? I feel like I have to be something with this, no? I mean, there's that there, but like, why the hell? Initial comment. Basically nothing. Add initial playbook. Nothing of use here. Right? Yeah. Fixed indents. Literally just indents. Update playbook. We get another user. But I don't think that helps us. Well, another Leo. Who's Leo? All right. Well, we could. What was it? All right. Let me read the whole thing again. Where's that? Here it is. What is IAC? That's this thing. Ansible runner. Is there a way I can modify something that's being ran? Like, what is this doing? Ansible. What is this doing though? If I modify this, can I get remote access? What is IAC? No clue. Chat. Chat. Chat, what do we do? Chat, what do we do? What am I doing? What am I supposed to do? I don't know. I'm going crazy. Can I browse to this shit? Like, what's this? Ansible.git. That's just this. What is this though? Where's this at? I have no clue. Ansible runner, Oliveton. Looking for vuln in Ansible? I doubt it. I doubt it. Just got home, missed talking. Let's hear the news. Brother, I'm not going to talk about it again because it was an hour long. I talked about it for an hour. Just watch the VOD. Here, I can actually, I think I can just like, hold up. Can I just upload it to Twitch already? Like make it public type shit. Hold on. Video producer. Publish. Yes. Okay, you should be able to watch the VOD now. Supposedly? It's not publishing. Crap. Why not? I guess I have to wait till I stop streaming. Damn. Okay. Well, when I'm done streaming. Actually, you can probably watch the VOD on YouTube, actually. Right? Hold on. Live. Yeah, you just scroll back in time. Yeah, you just click on my live on YouTube and scroll back in time. There you go. That's how you do it. Alrighty. Chat. Think. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Do we give up? No. Maybe. Probably. Danger zone. None of this helps, though. None of this helps. What is this? Tis this. That, crap. Ansible Privesc? What is this? Exploit notes. HDKS. This is it. Ansible playbook privilege escalation. We don't even have initial access though. Ansible runner. Is it a playbook? I guess it is a playbook. Ansible. Load. Playbook. I suppose it is. Okay. Let's read about this. Here we go. All right. First off, check contents of playbooks. For instance, a file named httpd.yaml. Nope. None of that shit. We can just add this. Wait. We can just add this. Tasks, automation tasks. After a while, we can actually repose it. Tasks. Is there a tasks folder? Shit. Tasks. Okay, easy enough. Ansible built-in shell. Easy enough. Thanks, man. Yeah, I probably should look that up. But hey. Edit file. Fuck you. Run this shit. We can just execute commands here. So let's do let's just verify that this works by pinging ourselves. Let's set up that listener. Control R, search for TCP dump. Not here. There we go. That's not my password. There we go. All right, so we're listening. We'll set that to ping. All looks good. All looks good. Okay. Cool. Comment. Okay. Now, how would we get pings here? Do I just have to play with, do I just have to play with this shit? Like what? Well, hold on. Local host. How do I run this? Work, please. Oh, should I just done it with this? Is this how I should have done it? Could I just literally just execute any command with this? Maybe I should have done it like that. Instead of Ansible built-in shell type stuff. We'll try that. Okay. So let's ping 10.6.67.242. Comment changes. Load. It does not want to work at all. Please. Thank you. Why is it formatted so weirdly? Oh, here we go. Shell echo hi. You have to run Ansible. Brother, how? What you talking about? I don't know, how does one run Ansible? Isn't that this thing? Oh, run Ansible playbook. I thought this. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, my bad, chat. Hold on. Wait for this to load. So I might be a little slow. I might be a little slow here. Come on. Come on. Give me some pings. Waiting. What are we waiting on? Give me the pings. What happened? The hell? I've got some syntax problems. Okay, so it's working. All right, let's I got an idea. I'm having some syntax problems. Let's go to our comments. Let's restore the one that was working. How exactly? I'm not too sure. Actually, I should just be able to do this. Hold on. Go back. Edit. Can I just get rid of this thing? There. That should be correct syntax, supposedly. Commit. There we go. And actions. Run. Hey! Boom! And now we're gonna DOS ourselves. Because we're just getting hella pings that aren't gonna ever stop. Wonderful, wonderful. Love that. Love that. That's great. GG. GG. Alright, so now we can just set this to a reverse shell. Revshells.com. Okay, this was a bit more advanced for our beginners out here. But this is Ansible. Well, no, this is Git. This is some GitHub stuff. Git team. It's just like I guess a cleaner version of GitHub. And we have some playbook.yaml running on Ansible. So just by specifying shell under tasks, I suppose, or command, I guess, it was already actually there. Some shell thing. It just echoed hi, I think. So you can just enter any command you want. So we can ping ourselves, but we're gonna enter in a reverse shell. Bam. And here, let's cancel this. Let's set up a listener on port 443. Commit this. Sorry, my brain is actually still fried from the exam, so I'm not sharp, and I had a long day at work, so we're definitely feeling it. Come on, there we go. Where is it? Here we go. Run Ansible playbook. Please work. Please work. And I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. I want dinner. But we must complete this. We must. Come on. Come on now. It's taking a sweet old time. Damn. Really? The hell? Come on. That should work. That should absolutely work. No, didn't work. Why not? What happened here? That was okay, so the other one didn't give us an error. This one is. Failed. I still have hope? Yeah, I do. This is definitely it. This is definitely it. It doesn't like what we're doing though. We might have to use a different shell. Let's try. I wonder if netcat's installed. We can try base 64 encoding it and piping it type stuff. Wonder if that'll work. Python, I don't know if that's gonna like, because there's like so many different characters in Python. The Python one. Where is it? Oh, it's down here actually. This. There's like so many different characters. I don't know if that'll like mess it up in this. In this. Actually, it's worth a shot. You're probably right. Low key. Because it's just executing this supposedly. Bam. Kablam. Commit. Nice. Where are we? Here. Actions. Run. I want to check out that log thing. While this is running. See if we can figure out what this log error means. Absolutely no clue what this error means. Fatal. Failed. Wonderful. Oh! Python! Bam! The big 2 thumbs up. Everyone! Let's go, user. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what's up. User flag. We actually got... Actually, this will be flag number 2. There's 2 flags. Cat. Flag 2.text. We are in. We are in. There we go. Bam. Flag 2. Complete. User access. Kablang. Who am I? Bismuth. Cool. Right. Hold on. It was low key. If this works, hold up. Remote user Bismuth. Could we just change this to root and run it again? I'm really curious. Okay, just for the sake of testing, I just want to test this out. Just for the sake of testing, I want to see if we just change this to root, will it run as root? I just want to, if this works, it'll be so stupid and so funny. I just want to be sure that this isn't how it actually is, because that would be so funny. Come on, do your thing. While this is loading, let's hack tricks. Did it work? I think so. Cool. And then we can actions. Still waiting. What? Run that. Okay. We got full TDYs. Run this. Bang. There we go. And run this. Bang. Cool beans. All right. So we are in Bismuth's home directory. You can add -p in the code too. Bash -p. That was here, right? Pervesc. If we do this. I don't think that worked. Output error. Root. Yeah. It's SSHing. Failed to connect to the host via SSH. Yeah. That's what that is. I don't know if -p would do anything, right? Yeah, we could try it just in case. Doesn't hurt. We could try this whole thing. Actually, I want that same name. just in case that's what's messing the first stuff up. Okay. Cool. Save that. Actually, shit. Nice. Needs to be bismuth. Damn. Yeah. Damn. Damn's right. Damn's right, Kyle. It's okay. We'll get him next time. We'll get him next time. This is still gonna run as... Will this run it as bismuth? Like, I don't think that'll fix it. If it's running as bismuth, I don't think that'll fix it. We can try. Are you retaking it sometime soon or after senior year? No, very soon. 6 weeks. There's a buffer. If you watched the full thing, you would have heard me say that. Meaning you didn't watch the final stuff. Which is the most important stuff. What the fuck is bismuth? It's a user. It's a username. It's a username. It's a username. Alright, let's try and run this thing. Run this thing. Alright, hold on. We don't have his password. Crap. Was a bit confused, yeah. No, it's definitely a word. It definitely means something. Hold up. I've definitely heard it before. Yeah, it's a metal. It's a metal. I've heard that before. It's a metal. Bismuth. Where are we? Here. That's saved. Bear on this. Stopped watching after you erase everything and started talking about what you'll do next time. Well, that's the most important stuff. What I'll do next time. You're gonna pass in 6 weeks. Absolutely, I am. Good luck, bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Did that work? I don't think that worked. Tab character, it's tab erroring. I'm getting some formatting errors here. Why? There's some formatting errors. Is this not supposed to be? How is it supposed to be formatted? What if I just copy this whole thing? That looks like it's formatted right. Am I tripping? Hold on. Let me just paste it at the bottom here. What's going on? Bam. Tasks. Name. Yeah, that's like formatted right. Apparently not though. Tab character. Okay. Tab here. No tab there, I guess. Maybe there. This is probably it. I think that's it. Try this. I think there's double tabs. Hydrate! I gotta piss, bro. I don't even know exactly what Ansible is. What is it? I've heard it so many times. Suite of software tools that enables infrastructure of code. Okay, so it just runs code. It just runs code. IT automation software. Cool beans. All right, let's try and run this. But I mean, it's probably not even this. We could probably just like run lenps and find something, but I still want to try this. Nope, errored. Why? It's still syntax error. Shit. What the hell? Is there supposed to be like nothing here? This? Is it literally supposed to be like nothing here? I'm so confused. Oh, hold on, it's this, right? I don't even know, bro. I feel like it's supposed to be that. I don't know. This formatting seems really bad to me. Let's just give up on that and run one piece. Copy. Oh, I have to sudo apt install linpiece. Alright, it's just peas, I think. It's a new machine, by the way. There we go. Cool. So now we can copy /user/share/peas linpiece.sh here, and we'll set up a Python HTTP server on port 80, and we can download this here with curl HTTP 10.6.67.242 and linpiece.sh. Ah! Got to output it. Output it into a file linpiece.sh. There we go. -lah. Linpiece is here, not executable. Mark is executable. chmod +x linpiece.sh /linpiece.sh. Maybe you can modify backup scripts as myth. I completely forgot about that. That's exactly it. Yeah, you're so right. You're so right. You're definitely right. Wheezy, what's good, man? Coming in hot. First message. That's definitely it. I completely forgot about that shit. Where was it? Backup script, yeah. What was the file path to that? opt/something. Yeah. You know what? We'll just cancel this shit. Let's just do that. cd opt. Right. So if we echo, we'll just do a rev shell. I don't care. Echo this. That's not right. To the bash script name, backup script.sh. Okay. Permission denied. Why? Are you in Docker? I'm not in Docker. Containered. That's definitely interesting. You know what? Maybe we should run linpiece. And I can't. Yeah, I can't write to this directory as this user. Yeah, okay. Hold up. We run linpiece. We run linpiece. We run linpiece. We run linpiece. It was a good try. Can't write to it though. Quite the rabbit hole you could fall down though. Actually, it's not that bad because you can just easily figure it out, but it's something. Oh, Kaio, do I still have lab access? No. Bro, watch what I'm gonna watch the part where I talk about what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna buy the extension so that I can get lab access again. So that I can get the extra 10 points. That's the whole reason I'm doing it. Yeah. Because that 10 points is literally like a lifesaver. It's so useful. Because if you struggle at initial access, then you only have to do one standalone machine in 180 network. And if you struggle at 80 network, then you only have to do the standalone machine shit. I'd rather learn this, thanks. What? Actually, are you busy tomorrow? What you talking about? What are you talking about? Busy tomorrow? Yeah, I've work tomorrow. Wednesday, I have off, though. What's up? But after work, I'm not streaming or anything, so... Oh, schedule, guys. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, maybe Sunday. Doing a CTF. Some guys in big Discord server told me I should, because I'm learning Splunk. Bro thinks he's a blue teamer. Just kidding. Doing a CTF that some guys in a big Discord server told me I should do. Oh, it's like a Splunk CTF or something? Interesting. ADM We can view log files. That's our group. LP admin. What is all this shit? Samba share. I ain't no Samba shares. What you talking about? Yeah, something to do with ransomware. It'd be cool if you did with me. Sure. Because I don't think you know much about it. Maybe. Bro, my job is actually so cool that I'm interning right now. We do like I'm like a junior network engineer, but we like the team's kind of small, so we also do like hella blue teaming stuff. Like we actually use CrowdStrike Falcon for a EDR, and I can actually like see all that shit. And like so far there haven't been any malicious activity, but like we had this one chick that left her laptop, or the staff member that left her laptop at home for like months, and it hasn't been getting updates. So that's like CrowdStrike's just like going crazy because it's like has so many vulnerable software on it, and it's not getting updates. Do you know the OC prep on Hack the Box? No, what? Oh, you mean like TJ Null's list? I saw the pictures you sent me. It looked dope. Yeah, yeah. The guy the coworkers there is like so chill. It's so fun. Let me check this out. It's at a local college. This is just TJ Null's list, yeah. Yeah, it's just TJ Null's list. Yeah, I did that. I do that. Yeah, so that helped a lot. I didn't do the hack the box stuff. I did the PG practice stuff, the proving ground stuff, because I was even more like the exam because it's made by OffSec. And that helped me do the standalone machines. I could do them like all like really quickly, but I didn't know there was a way. Yeah, that the TJ Null is what made that spreadsheet. What am I thinking? Yeah, so the standalone machines I'm fine. It's just 80 stuff. It's just 80 stuff. And well, it wasn't even 80 stuff. Like I could have done it if I just had more time, but I was just so tired because I spent 10 hours on that one goddamn service. But I can't what's it called? Grief on the past. Only look for the future type shit. Damn, Lin Peas is taking forever. Holy. Why? You're just having a sweet time. Holy shit. Come on, Lin Peas. Damn. Alright, while that's running, we can try and like see if this is fixable. If it runs automation tests as root, I don't think it's doing that though. It's not doing that, so I don't think it's Privesc. Yeah, I don't think we can Privesc with this. Definitely not. Because it has to run as a specific person. A lot of people said if you can do offshore box, 25 machines, you're good. What the hell is offshore box? What you talking about? 25 machines. What you talking about? Brother. Yeah, nice. Offshore box. What is this? Hack. Offshore. It's a hack the box thing. It's 80 stuff. Dude, okay. You know what? Screw all of you easy people. Actually, just kidding. Here's the plan. New plan. All right. My plan for the days I'm not streaming is I'm doing OSCP prep I'm doing the actual challenge labs because I can't do that on stream. And for the new guys, no streams for you guys. Maybe so. But like I'm going to make YouTube videos while I'm not streaming on really simple stuff. Like, I'll do a whole video on Privesc for Linux. I'll do a whole video on Privesc for Windows. I'll do some really simple CTFs like I did on the last video. I'll explain all that shit. What else could I do? I could do, like, like some basic web app exploitation stuff. I could do a video on that. And then on stream, I think this Hack the Box stuff is a good idea. I'm gonna have to buy a Hack the Box subscription, and we're gonna have to do this shit because this looks cool. Hack the Box. Can I not just elite red teaming labs, pro labs? Yeah, I've never done a pro labs. I think that's new. At least when I started, it was new. What are pro labs? W loading. Okay. Premium training labs designed to provide an accurate adversary simulation against challenging, sometimes fully patched enterprise technologies. God damn. Dante. That's what y'all was talking about. This seems really fun. Okay, we're gonna have to do this on stream. This seems actually fun. Chat. Did you finish Cactbox? I drank some beers, came back. Welcome. We are running Limpies on it. Dante's hard. Dante's medium. This seems really fun. We'll do some like easy stuff first, but like we're gonna have to do this, bro. This seems so fun. What? Why did I not? Oh, why did I not think about this earlier? How much does this cost? Pricing for individuals. Wait, can you just get it with regular VIP? Or is there a specific thing you need? Retired machines? It doesn't say anything about Pro Labs. Is there a specific... How do you get Pro Labs? Oh, here we go. Broken... Oh, God. Love that. Medium for Hack the Box? Mean is hard? Yeah. Yeah, I know that. I know that from experience. One plan. Access to Pro Labs. Here we go. It's gonna ask me to sign in. I'll do that shit later. Alright, here we go. Limpies is running now. After it cached all the directories. Nothing useful there. I love this. This is great. Can't absolutely see anything there. That's wonderful. Love that. Love that. Come on. You can skip buffer overflow. Is there machines with buffer overflow? Yeah, because there's nowhere buffer overflow. Yeah. Yeah. It's only AD stuff now. Not only, but like they replace buffer overflow with AD, which is good because it's more applicable. There's a dot. I didn't realize there's a hidden directory here in our home directory called .ansible. That's interesting. So module command .py. Some stuff in the temporary directory. Hey, in the gym. I'll wait till Wednesday in case you want to join. Ransomware CTF. Is it what? Is it blue teaming stuff? You making ransomware? Or are you trying to like flag it? What? Like maybe. We'll see. Is this a cron job? What is this? Crons, maybe. There's some Python command.py running here. It's run by Bismuth though, so I don't think that helps. We can run pspy and see what's going on as well. I actually have to download pspy. This is a fresh machine. Wait, is it come default in Kali? Sudo apt install pspy. Holy shit, it does. There we go. That works. Simple enough. Come on. Oh, why is LinP's... Why is this machine so slow? That's the problem, actually. The machine's just slow as hell. Uh-oh. 13 minutes. We're almost done. Come on, Privesk, come on. Work. LinP's. Run. Gosh darn it. It's the 32 or 64 bits. You talking about this machine? I don't know. Probably should have checked. It is with LinP's show. It's not showing. pspy? You mean pspy? I'm pretty sure it's 64-bit. Should be 64-bit. It'll be fine. Actually, hold on. It doesn't really say. I guess you got a couple under here. Holy output. Bro, I can't hear you because of ads? I'm gonna sub in 6 days when my Prime's back up. Cool. Guess you gotta suffer for 6 days. Holy output. Alright. Come on. What is all this shit? That's a lot. What is all this? Oh no, that was my LinP's accidentally. Copied like the actual commands. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Port we haven't seen. Port we haven't seen. Port we haven't seen. Admin. I think this is a false positive. Oh, here we go. What's this? My SQL credentials. Read my SQL hashes. Lychee. And this. Does this help though? I don't know if this helps. Yeah, I'm gonna head out. Let me know if you want to try with me Wednesday. I'll be home all day. Maybe. Just send me the info on it. Just send me the info on it in Discord. I'll check it out and see if I want to do it. Later, Kaio. Interesting. Man, this is taking forever. Absolutely ages. Absolutely ages here. Spooking ages. Sorry, chat. Love it when this takes forever. Whoa. Hold on. The binary SU looks good. What you talking about? What you talking about? In sewage? That's not vulnerable. This isn't vulnerable. What you talking about? This is sewage. I don't help. I don't help. I don't help. I don't help. What you talking about? Sewage. SU. I don't help. Ain't no SU here. I don't help. Deshaun, what's good? How we doing? People on Discord, bro. Being goofy. Alright. Join the Discord server, guys, if you're not already. Alright. Doing good. What are we trying to do? We're doing this supposedly easy machine. It's not the easiest. Cat pictures 2. We got our user access, but now we're trying to privesc. And I'm running linpiece, but it's taking ages. So that's fun. That's always fun. I thought you can do bin su cat root.txt. Huh? What? What are you talking about? Maybe if su is like set for pseudo privileges, but not for suids, I don't think. Don't think so. Yeah, definitely not. Definitely not. I see this all the time. I don't know. I don't think so. Did you do sudo-shell yet? We don't have password. No password. Ugh. Sometimes it works without password, especially in triachnuriums. Yeah, I tried it, but it requires a password. All right, let me go from the top here. Linpiece. Some exploits we could try. Typically, I do that last case, worst case scenario. Docker's running. We saw the container in the /opt directory, but we couldn't read anything in there. This is AWS stuff, I believe, for just the box itself. We're gonna run pspy after this. Oh, I forgot the .ansible directory. We gotta check that out as well. Keep that in mind, chat. Keep that in mind. Hold on, Mom. Don't come in. My mom. What's up, Mom? Dad? Someone? Where's my phone? I told them to be oh, my phone's on the floor. Maybe that's why. Oh, they want me to come down for dinner. Rip. I'm gonna say 20 minutes. Not sure if that's true or not. We'll see. We gotta get the prefest done. What is... I think this is a false positive, right? PK exec. Sudo Unix group admin. Yeah, it's thinking we're ADM. Cause that's the group we're in, but it's not. It's admin. I believe that's yeah, sudo group and the admin group. We're not part of that. It's just taking this part and it thinks that we are, but we're not. False positive, I believe. This is interesting. Are these like hash? What type of hash is this? Doesn't know. Oh, I forgot the 4. It's the front. Oopsies. Okay, it's SHA-1. Okay, maybe we should try and crack these. Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe that's a good idea. All right. Hashcat dash H. You can grep for SHA. What's the basic SHA-1 stuff? 100. All right. Hashcat dash M 100. Hashes, and then our wordless user share wordless rock you. Fun. You forgot the 4 in front of the E? What you talking about? Oh, yeah, that. I copied it. Okay, are we done here? Is this done? Tell me this is done. It's not done. Oh my gosh. We just have dub Oliveton here. I might just cancel this. But in case there's something at the end, though. This take forever. Did these crack? They did not crack. They did not crack. Alright. Well, it is what it is. Probable exploit section is most useful. Oh, probable exploits is first. That's always first, typically. We have those. I've never found them useful. I think I've only found them useful once, actually. Like this pwn kit shit I always see. This I haven't seen, typically. You could try that. Oh my gosh, so much output. I'd like to check the Ansible directory first and do the whatchamacallit, and do peace by first before I do that. Like this is all interesting here. All right, we're done. Finally. No, we're not. Oh my gosh, I thought we were done. Peace by. Come on. Don't do this to me, Peace by. Not Peace by. Lynn Peace. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. Chat. Tacking for 24 hours can do to a man. Not good. Not good. We could add rules. These are there. I doubt it's actually I doubt. I highly doubt. Just because it's an easy CTF, and I've never seen an easy Actually, I've never seen like actually hard CTFs with rules. With password. Typically, Rocky will always crack. Just cause. Just cause. Just cause. Please. Computer work. Hold on, I didn't even set. Did I set? I didn't set. Hold on. This is a brand new machine, and I don't think I set. No, I did. Never mind. I was about to say, if I didn't set RAM and CPU, it would be at like freaking nothing. But we're good. We're good. I love it. It's taking forever. I absolutely love it. I'm just going to cancel it. I'm just going to cancel it. Oh, screw you. I'm canceling it. H. Now we have this. You can open their shell like this. You can check what you want. Bro, what? Oh, another shell. Right. Yeah, I get you. That's facts. I could have done that. Where did we want to go? Ansible. It's fine though. Just in case. Yeah. Why no T-Mux or Terminator? I don't know, man. I don't know why I'm not using T-Mux. I guess not in the mood. All right, what is this command.py? We have write access over it. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna get ourselves. Actually, hold on. Oh, crud. Because now we gotta do this thing as well. Where is it? Where's the comment? I can just do this shell from here. It's fine. Hold up. Cat command.py. What is this? Holy smokes, that's a lot. That is a lot. Okay. Lovely. Love that. What on earth is all this? Look for the time. You mean this? We're chilling. Alright. Python. Lovely Python. Lovely Python. Zip data. Does that help us? Zip data. What is zip data? That is very long. Wow. Not sure what any of that is doing. Bro, I gotta go eat dinner, bro. Well, like, I'm just gonna... Okay. I mean, I could... Oh, I want to run PSpy. And I want to have this thing open. Oh my gosh. Okay. Did this crack? No, it didn't. Okay. We can do... what's it called? CD bop bop bop. Not Python, Perl 10.6.6.7.242 slash pspy decho pspy. We got pspy, mark it as executable, run pspy. Crap. 64-bit. It doesn't have this shit. I'd have to compile it on this actual machine if I'm doing it through that way. I might be able to download it here, maybe. pspy 64. Let me try this. Oh, I gotta put it in my downloads directory. Copy, downloads, pspy 64 here. Set up the web server again. Perl. I just copy this thing. pspy 64. pspy 64. Hopefully this works. If not, I give up because I gotta go. Unfortunately, this is a problem with streaming. See, Wednesday and actually no, we're streaming Wednesday and Friday as well. Yeah, Wednesday and Friday I don't have work, so that's what I'm streaming because like I don't have to be busy and shit. Cause like Monday, maybe don't stream on Mondays. I don't know. Maybe we do Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. Cause it's like I get home from work and then I stream and it's like I'm already busy. And it's like then I gotta go eat dinner as well. So it's like I don't know. I don't get a whole lot of time to work with you guys. pspy 64, not change mod plus X. There we go. pspy 64. There we go. That works. What time is it? Yeah, I actually gotta go. Let's look at the write-up. Because I gotta go. Where's our write-up? I think I might have closed it. No, here it is. Let's see what we're supposed to do here. Oh, it's a vulnerable sudo version. Okay, we're supposed to check that. It always says check this. Right? Or is it here? Yeah. It never says if it's like vulnerable or not. It's always right here, but it always says like typically check sudo version. Okay. Here it is. So I can just nano exploit. Bang. We can close this actually. Run this. Exploit -o exploit. Exploit. Crap. I don't have his password. Really? I need his password? Why don't I need his password to run this shit? Because it's doing sudo-l stuff. Huh? Alright, what are they using? They're using this thing from GitHub. Fine. I'll do it. It doesn't have access to the internet, right? Oh, it does. Wonderful. Wonder how long that'll take. Considering it took ages for the lint piece to run. Oh my gosh. And the stream took a little bit longer today as well because I had to go over the OSCP stuff. So, yeah. Wednesdays and Fridays are definitely where it's at. For sure. Damn, this is taking forever. Why? Can't even see the progress. I have no clue. Please work. Really? Really? Are you gonna make me download it here? Maybe? Are you actually? Alright, fine. 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 I can download it from my machine. Why not? Alright, Earl. I gotta set this up. Bam. Big file. 10.6.67.242. Make file. Make file. Credential. Make file. Wonderful. Then we have the brute.sh. 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 And then we have hacks.c. There we go. And finally we have lib.c. Not lob. Alright, there we go. Now we should just be able to make. I have this. So I can just do this. Available targets. We want target number uno, 0. Where am I? Root. There we go. CD. Love that. Type. Flag. Gosh. Can't backspace. 3.text. And there. Eh? There we go. What did I type? I guess I'm thinking PowerShell for some reason. There we go. Done. Thinking command prompt. All right. I gotta go eat dinner. I'm starving. I gotta go to the bathroom as well. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. It'll probably be around noon. We'll stream. That way we have a lot of time right after lunch. Easy, easy, easy. Definitely easy. Oh, what? on my Twitch, it didn't resolve to an emoji, but like, what the hell? Was it supposed to be an emoji? On Caster Labs, on the hydrate, bro. I have to pee so badly. Chill. I'm gonna pee right after this. All right, any questions on that Privesk or anything at all? It was just running. It was on a vulnerable pseudo version. Pseudo version was vulnerable. There was an exploit for it, and we just ran it. We compiled it, ran it. We're root. Root. Alrighty. I will catch you guys later. Hopefully you learned something today. If not from this, yeah, actually the initial stuff wasn't bad. I don't know. If not from the CTF, hopefully from my exam experience. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See y'all later. Peace.